Unlike other haemostatic products available today, WoundClot Veterinary has multiple mechanisms of action. When wound clot contacts blood, it converts into a thick, tenacious, expanding gel, adhering to the wound surface. Wound clot does not require the application of manual pressure to be effective. Wound clot is highly absorbent and it will absorb up to 2,500% its own weight in fluid. It also remains actively absorbent for up to 24 hours. Additionally, wound clot will activate two key clotting factors. Wound clot has the highest safety profile and it can be used anywhere in the body, including in the mouth. It requires little or no training to utilize effectively. Wound clot also works to promote the clotting cascade. It's one of the mechanisms of action utilized to achieve rapid hemostasis. WoundClot Veterinary is easily removed from the wound by simply removing the clot. Rebleeding will not occur and any remaining gel can be easily irrigated out of the wound.